Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Guide. In today's video, we are diving into the world of numbers, especially how to simplify whole numbers using BODMAS and brackets. Whether you are a student brushing up on math basics or just looking for the quick refresher, this video will break it all down in simple, easy to follow way. This is exercise 3.3 question number 1 of your maths textbook. My next video will be about question number 2, that is simplification of decimal numbers using BODMAS. And in the third lecture of the same exercise, we will discuss simplification of fractions using BODMAS. This is question number 1, part 1 of exercise 3.3. Here we have some integers and 4 mathematical operations are here. According to DMAS rule, we will first divide, then multiply, then add, and in the last we subtract. As there are no brackets, so we will directly start solving the question. The first step is division. It means 15 is divided by 3. So our answer will be 5. After division, we will do multiplication. When negative 7 is multiplied by 5, we get negative 35. Now we have two operations left, addition and subtraction. And I told you earlier that in addition and subtraction, we always move from left to right. It means we will solve this addition first, then subtraction. So our answer is 10 minus 35. As the greater value has negative sign, so our answer will be negative 25. This is exercise 3.3 question number 1 part 2. Here we have only one bracket and within that bracket we have multiplication, division and subtraction going on. So according to rule we will start with the division. So when 24 is divided by 2 we get 12. Now we have 8 into 12 minus 26 and we will do multiplication first. And 8 into 12 is 96. We will subtract 26 from it and our final answer of this parenthesis is 70. Now we will add it with 25. Now final answer is 95. This is exercise 3.3 question number 1 part 3 and here we have two brackets in this question and within bracket we have some arithmetical operations, but we have to be very careful because we have to follow the rules of integers also, that when we have like integers the answer is always positive and when we have unlike integers the answer is always negative. Here we will solve the parenthesis first and within parenthesis we have two mathematical operations, multiplication and division, and I told you earlier that when we have multiplication and division we will move from left to right. So we will multiply first, then we will divide the product by 42. After multiplication we get negative 7056 and now we will divide it by 42. When we will divide it by 42 we get 168 with negative sign, like this. Now we will solve these two operations and as you know plus and minus makes negative signs. So we have 26 minus 168. Now within this bracket we have to subtract positive 26 and negative 168. We will subtract then, but obviously we will put the sign of the greater value. So our answer will be negative 142. Now negative negative make positive, so our next step is 44 plus 142 and the final answer is positive 186. This is exercise 3.3 question number 1 part 4. Now in this question we have three brackets and within parentheses we have three mathematical operations and obviously we will solve the division first. After dividing we get 19. Then plus 9 and negative 5 will be at a place. And after this we have addition symbol and subtraction symbol within parentheses and we have to move from left to right, so we will add first then subtract and after this we get 23. Now we will subtract this 23 from 29 and our next step will be 37 plus 6 within the square brackets. After solving the square brackets we will divide 86 by 43 and our final answer will be 2. This is exercise 3 question number 1 part 5 and here in this question only two brackets are present, that is square bracket and braces. And vinculum is also present over here, so we will solve the vinculum first. It means we have to do the subtraction first. As the 30 is the greater value and it has negative signs, so our answer will be negative 26. And now within these braces we have division, multiplication and division again. So we will move from left to right and we will divide first and then multiply. It means when 276 is divided by 138, we get 2 into 124 divided by negative 26. In the next step, we divide these two numbers or multiply these two numbers. Remember, the rule is same. We have to move from left to right. It means we will multiply first. When we will multiply 124 by 2, we get 184, and we will divide it by negative 26. In this step, negative and negative make positive sign, so we will get 184 plus 248 divided by 26. For addition of these two numbers, we have to follow the rules of fraction. Here we have to make the common denominators. After making common denominators, we get 4,784 plus 248 divided by 26. After addition, we get 5,032 divided by 26. And here we have to multiply first and divide. After multiplication, we get 1,157,360 divided by 26, and which will be divided like this. The division working will be quite lengthy, but you can stop your answer up to 2 decimal places, or you can also give your answer in mixed number. My next lecture will be about exercise 3.3 question number 2, which will be about simplification of decimal numbers using BODMAS. The sequence of brackets and the rules of BODMAS will remain the same, but here we have to be very careful regarding the rules of solving decimal numbers. For upcoming videos, stay tuned to my channel.